Hi guys, welcome to another video. We've got a Mercedes C-Class in for a broken coil spring. So here you can see the bottom of the coil spring which is broken. You might need a mirror to be able to see these. So there's two 10 mils holding on this cover. Once you use the load, you use the top. So on this, the shock absorber is bolted to this arm, so we'll have to remove this nut and bolt to free it up, and we can do that with a gun without having to remove the wheel. When taking these bolts out, it's a good idea to have the axle stand ready to make sure that the arm is supported so nothing releases from the spring or the shock absorber. Before removing this rear bolt, you just readjust where the axle stand needs to be, and then we can knock that out and release the spring. Here's a better view of the broken coil spring. You can see it's all corroded, it's been like that for a while. But we can still compare the other side to the other spring just to make sure that we know which way is up. So when fitting the new spring, you want to make sure that the top and bottom mounts are correctly positioned before putting it into place. Be careful when jacking this up because you'll be acting against the tension from the spring. You might have some manoeuvring about to do to make sure that all the holes line up. But also don't forget to reattach the shock absorber into the hole inside the arm and bolt it all back together and make sure everything's tight. Even though you're gunning these nuts and bolts back together, it's always a good idea to grab a ratchet and just double check to make sure everything feels tight by hand. Then it's just a case of refitting this plastic cover and not forgetting the two 10 mils, and we're done. And that's it for this week's video, guys, on the Mercedes C-Class rear coil spring replacement. If you like this video, please leave us a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with all of our new videos, and you can click here to see more. Cheers.